Hello! Let's learn again. Language: English, Filipino, Japanese. Now, let's start of the word true or really. In Filipino, that is talaga or really means totoo. In Japanese, honto ne. Hon to ne. English, wait. In Filipino, hintay. Hintay. In Japanese, matsu. Matsu. Wait, hintay, matsu. In English, how. In Filipino, paano, paano. In Japanese, dono, yo, ni. Do, no, yo, ni. In English, how. In Filipino, paano. In Japanese, dono yo ni. Dono yo ni. Now, in English, tired. Tired. In Filipino, pagod. Pagod. Tired, pagod. In Japanese, chokareta. Chokareta. Tired, pagod, chokareta. In English, goodbye. Goodbye. In Filipino, paalam. Paalam. In Japanese, sayonara. Sayonara. Goodbye, paalam, sayonara. In English, maybe. In Filipino, siguro. Siguro. In Japanese, tabun. Tabun. Maybe, siguro, tabun. In English, of course. In Filipino, syempre. 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 In Japanese, mochiron. 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 Now, let's start. In English, true, really. Talaga, totoo. Honto ne. Wait. Hintay. Matsu. How. Paano. Dono yo ni. Tired. Pagod. Chokareta. Chokareta. Goodbye. Paalam. Sayonara. Maybe. Siguro. Tabun. Of course. Syempre. Machiron. Bye. Thank you.